Hello boys and girls, we are working on day 1, week 7 of math for today. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at question 1. Wendy has to go to the movies at the time shown on the clock. What time does Wendy have to go to the movies? Well, the hour hand is in between the 7 and the 8, so it will be 7. And now this is where it gets tricky. We have not done this before. So we count 5, 10, 15, but it's not on the 3 or the 4. It's somewhere in between it. So I'm going to say it's going to be above 15, but below 20. So I'm going to say it's about 18. 7:18. You could say 7:17. Using these base 10 blocks, what is the number shown? Well, there's 2 hundreds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So my answer is 259. We're going to subtract a 1 in the tens place, so the 400 stays the same. The 5 becomes a 4, and the 0 stays the same. The only thing that's changing here is the hundreds, and it's going up 100. The only thing that's changing here is the tens place. So the 300 stays the same. You're going to add a 1, so that would be 30, and there's a 1 here. This, I expect you to use the paper provided. Please write it down. If you have 7, you cannot take 8 away. So you go next door and you borrow. This becomes 6 tens, and you give a 10 to the ones place. That would make this 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 minus 8, you cannot take away 8 from 6, so you borrow. This is going to be 100, or 10 tens. So I'm going to give a 10 to the tens place. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. And that concludes today's lesson.